Hello, my beauties. It's Black Cajun Beauty, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I am doing my very first painting on a canvas. I don't know if this one is also called a dirty pour. So what I did was I bought a 5-pack of canvases from Michael's for $10, and I just mixed some acrylic paint with some mixing medium and started pouring. I had black and blue, had silver. I didn't use any direction. I just poured. And this is my first time, so I just wanted to see how it worked. So I just poured the colors on as best as I could, and hey, I just let it do what it do, really. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will be back with another canvas painting. I'm going to try it instead of acrylic paint. I'm going to do it with resin and mica mixed. I know there's people all over Facebook, not Facebook, this is YouTube, get it together, girl. People all over YouTube doing these paintings. But as I said, this was my first time. I'm trying to increase the crafts that I can do and that I can provide. This painting, I love the finished result. I love it. And it will be in my living room. I have 3 more canvases because my sister was doing 2 canvases for her bedroom out of the 5-pack. So I have 3 that I'm going to use the same color, the same colors with. And then I'm just going to do it just a little different. I'm trying to be more strategic with how I pour the colors. And they'll be hanging in my living room. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and please hit that subscribe button and hit that bell to get notifications every time I post a video. Thank you and enjoy.